Good morning, everyone. This is our report. Democracy is a pen said to men ruled by the people. Ang kasabutan na kay democracy ay firme siya. Kinahanglan siya gamitin ng pamahalaan. For example, citizens vote to choose their leaders of representative. Sila yung ngayon kaya sila yung buto kaya ang leader o representative.
So, Troy, ano sa imong topic? It's all about democracy. Okay. Any question? Clarification, students, L3 students. Nakasabot na mo? Tarong. Bantay, mag-exam ko ha. Okay, next reporter.
Colonialism. Colonialism is a system where a powerful country controls and exploits another country or region, often for economic, political, or culture. This often involves the given country settling its own people in the country's territory and exposing its own language and culture. Ang meaning sa colonialism tayo. The Spanish example, the Spanish colonization of the Philippines in the 16th-19th century Spain exposed Spanish culture, language, and religion on the Philippines.
Okay, Ayesha. Your topic, it's all about colonialism. Okay, so unsa ganito ang colonialism? Nakasabot wala? Students. Question. Clarification. Okay, Nora, answer question Nora.
Ang meaning sa colonialism kay kanang mananakop ka
Ilang isakop mo?
kung sample kung kumpre mo bansa kaya nila mo nakasapot sa ano ba
Okay, gets na ka Nora? Okay, that's good. Next reporter.
Good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I am here to discuss about aristocracy. Aristocracy, a social class of people with power, wealth, and prestige, often based on birth or royal function. Masabot ani kay kanang ng mga tao, mga dato, may kapangyarihan at may mataas na angkas sa lipunan. Example, the Romanov family was a powerful aristocracy in Russia before the Russian Revolution.
Okay, Ralph. Your topic, it's all about aristocracy. Okay, L3 students. Question. Nakasabot? Unsa man ang aristocracy be? Power? Unsa gi stand up Nora be? Unsa daw ang aristocracy?
makapangyarihan at
Oh, powerful nga tao daw. Okay, another. Ayesha, Kesha. Ano na? Question. Clarification. Sure?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give my comment na.
Good evening, everyone. Totalitarianism is a system of government where the state has complete control over all aspects of public or private life. Ang meaning kay kompletong kontrol sa lahat ng aspekto ng buhay publiko o privado like private life.
So, Chelsea, your topic is all about totalitarianism. Okay, so question. Na, tarong kasabot mo wala. Wala daw, Tristan. What is your question, Tristan?
Like to
Ha? Private life.
right.
Tristan, any question? Nora? Ralph? Sure? Kasabot. Again, unsa ganito ang totalitarianism? Okay, next. Reporter.
Don't your name 안녕하세요. Thank you for the snack. 감사합니다.
Kamnida. So this is our second Tuesday snack from Dongjunim. Kamsahamnida.
Don't your name 안녕하세요. Thank you for the snacks. 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida Dongjunim from level 2. Tuesday. This is our second Tuesday snack. Okay.